Yeah, now you can see we have a problem here. So the problem is about no such folder directory. So let's go back and see. Mm, think let's see. The layout for index is empty, and also we have this empty. What we can do, this is home. I can just come here, and within this layout, we can do something like, let's say we can create a component like this, const, and const you get you can call it index, you can call it whatever, but I have something here. You can call it index or even home, whichever you want. So layout, let's call it home, and I give it a arrow function like that. And yes, what we can do right here is that we can come here and then we say stack, and we still want to import that stack, right?